It's not toxic. I mean, I understand you guys, you know. I know that you want me to like go somewhere. I know. It's just like I need my brain to like. I know. I just need my brain to processing stuff. That's it. Like I understand and I know. I just, you know, it's a new country and it's my first time. So I just like.
Gleis 4 in Richtung Buxtehude einsteigen.
It's one?
Gleis 4 Richtung Buxtehude zurückbleiben.
Okay, it's yes, my first time. Is it this one to go to the airport? Wait, oh no, S21. S31. Ah, S21. In 6 minutes. S21. Carrie! You can't drunk and come here. You can't drunk and come here. Hello, Carrie. Welcome, Raiders. Hello, cutie pie. What's up, what's up? Hi, Carrie family. Hello, what's up, guys? How you doing? Welcome to Hamburg. Hello, how was your day, everybody? How was your stream, Carrie? Hi. Thank you, thank you. I hope you have a very good stream. Thank you for the raid. Welcome, everybody. Hi guys, hello Raiders, welcome to Pim stream. My name is Pim. I do IRL stream based in Thailand, but right now we have a chance to come to Germany, so we have 2 weeks left in 2 weeks in Germany right now, 9 days left. And yes, thank you. Feel free to press the follow if you guys new here. Welcome guys. Hello Lippy, hello Kari, hi Matt, thank you, hi Gloop. Welcome everybody. Right now we just have time to like try to take a train to the stations. So hey, what's up Indy? Long time no see. How you doing? Hello.
Hello, motherfucker.
What did you just say? How sweet. Hey, what's up Indy? Hello Gil. Hey Nugget, hello. Hi. Acoustic, hello. Master Potato, thank you for the follow and hi. Hi Go Black, hello. Any Thai German? No, I don't meet anybody. No one heard that. Yeah. It's coming in 3 minutes. The train is coming in 3 minutes. So let's see. It's really cold right now. Oh, Thai German, yes. Nana is Thai German. Thank you again for then sending your community here. And hello guys again. Yeah. My name is Pim. Call me Pim. Even my channel is PP. We're trying to go to, I don't know, the chat tell me to go to something. I can't read the name. And Dankeschön, any Raider, are you German or where are you guys from? It's a fucking cool. Oh, it's called Sternschanze. Sternschanze. It's cold. I hope everyone is doing good. Thank you again. It's normal chat. It's just, you know, weather like just like Thailand. Where is Kari right now, by the way? Where is Kari right now? To 2 minutes. In 2 minutes. Yeah, my finger is hurt right now. Like my finger hurt. We have so much everywhere, just like Thailand. Yeah. Thailand maybe 100 years ago in the north of Thailand. She back in Lisbon. Actually, I really want to visit Portugal, chat. It's all like it's very beautiful city in Portugal. Actually, S21 can go too, right? We can go. Yeah, S21. Ah, it's okay. Just go S21 in 2 minutes. The stop is riding to stop. I hope it's worth it. Okay. It's coming. So by the way, where are you guys from, chat? Can you type on now? Where is you guys from, by the way? I know mostly it's Germany, but which other country are you guys from? I need to pee. Wow, my God, it's so cold. Can we get like 1 degree? I really want to experience 1 degree, please. Norway, Canada, Germany, Copland, Wakanda. What the fuck? Ice. Oh, by the way, how was the train from this platform are going to the wrong? Not 100%, but double check, please. What? This is S21. Oh, sorry. Do you know this one go to this one? Is it?
No, start chancing. Oh, on the side, yeah, this way.
This side?
No. On the side. Take the step and go to the other side. You're going to start chancing.
This one. It's not this one?
No. It's not this place. Other side. Take the steps and then the same train on the other side.
Oh, I have to go out over
Yeah.
there?
Take the other side. Yeah.
Huh? Other side? Oh shit, chat. What do we do now? Hamburg. Now, fuck. Oh shit, now it's, I don't know now, chat. This is S21 and... Oh, fuck. Are we gonna make it or not? Now I wait. Oh. Oh.